Welcome to Project Insight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the actual start and end date columns on the task list. On a task list, the start and end date columns show the planned start and end date for a task. However, the actual start and end date columns show when that task was actually started and when it was actually completed. For example, if we change this first drafts concept task to started, you can see that the actual start date is set to today's date, whereas the planned start date was actually the 16th. And if we change started to done, you can see that the actual end date has been changed to today. In order to change settings related to actual start and end dates on a project, you'll go to the top right, click Edit, and click Edit Task Defaults. You'll then scroll down to the actual start and end date options section. The options we'll be looking at today are these two: automatically set the task actual start date and automatically set the task actual end date. These options change what the actual start and end date are set to when a task is updated. Going through the options, if you select no auto-population, this will disable actual start and end dates being auto-populated. And percent completed updated date and percent completed updated date and time will update the actual start and end dates based on when the task completion percent was updated. Scheduled date will set the actual start or end date to the date when your task was scheduled to start or end. And time entry date, when updated, sets the date of the time entry on the task. Now, if you'd like to change these settings, make sure to click this Apply to All Tasks checkbox, otherwise they will not be applied. Keep in mind, these settings only apply to the current project that you are editing. If you'd like to apply this globally, you can scroll to the bottom, click Global Task Defaults, and you'll be taken to an identical page, only this page applies globally. For more information on the task list and Project Insight, you can refer to our existing documentation and videos on the subject.